So on this day, should I say March the 4th, 2025, Leon Bailey has allowed the history makers, or should I say the history writers, to use pen to put to paper and documented this day in particular. Specifically, Leon Bailey scoring a goal today versus Club Rouge. And that goal have gone on in history. So as you can see, Leon Bailey creates history. Welcome back, people, to MG Sports TV. Thank you very much again for tuning in. Really, really appreciate it. Hopefully, you guys are doing good and everything is okay. Smash the like button, hit the subscribe button if you're here for the first time. All right, so Leon Bailey created history today. Now, I do think in context, some people kind of did a kind of write the wrong thing. Let me show you. All right, so let me just read it first. Leon Bailey creates history. First Jamaican born player who represents the Reggae Boyz to score in a UEFA Champions League game. Leon Bailey and Wes Morgan are the only two Reggae Boys to score in the Champions League up to this day. Now, a lot of persons were writing the story as Leon Bailey is the first Jamaican born to score in the Champions League, and just technically, that's not necessarily right. If they did say Leon Bailey is the first Reggae Boy to score in a Champions League game, that's way more accurate. Or should and it wouldn't be accurate because Wes Morgan scored in a Champions League before Leon Bailey. So you see, so the reason I'm saying that is we have to give credit, we have to give a bit of, should I say, just credence to Raheem Sterling. Yes, he did not represent Jamaica, whilst I agree with that, but he's a Jamaican born whilst having multiple goals in the Champions League. Yeah, so Raheem Sterling basically have almost 30 goals in the Champions League. I think about 20 something. Yeah, but 20 enough. So I understand that, yes, that's the reason why I said Reggae Boy, because Raheem Sterling has represented Jamaica, but Leon Bailey has. So Leon Bailey is probably the second Reggae Boy player to score in the Champions League, but Leon Bailey is the first Jamaican-born Reggae Boy player, a Reggae Boy, to score in the Champions League. So Wes Morgan is the next player, and Wes Morgan is not Jamaican-born. So totally understand. Now, let me touch a little bit on today's game that Leon Bailey played. I thought that I was watching the game. I might really Bailey, the main user, I want me tune into the game. Leon Bailey starts, which is really a good sign. Now, this also shows the level of trust that Unai Emery has in Leon Bailey. He really trusts Leon Bailey, and he has a lot of faith in him. I thought the performance let me move away from the goal. I thought that the performance was really good. From the moment the game, the whistle blow, I know that he looks up for it. And that's a good sign. That's a very, very good sign. And I was watching the game like, me feel like something I got him for him today. But even if nothing never happened for him, even if he did the score, I didn't register an assist, just the overall gameplay, I was pleased. Disappointed that he came off in the 68th minute. I'm not sure what's the issue or why he came off in the 68th minute. But I thought that overall in context, definitely thought that he had a good game. I thought the performance was really good. And one in which he can build on so far this season is not necessarily one of his best season, but certainly moments here and there you can see the quality that he possesses being on display. Unfortunately, it's not being displayed consistently enough. So I hope that today it's just like a landmark or just like a day when we can say, you know what, let me cognitively just keep them performance in the back of my head and regurgitate the same performance in every week from now on. So I do think he can do that. It's just very unfortunate how his season go so far, and definitely today is an indication of what he can do and what he's able to do. So big up yourself, Leon Bailey, for the performance today. Also for creating history, but I am more so impressed with the performance because I want to see that type of performance going forward. That is the performance or keep him in the team. That is the performance or keep him as one of the best players in the team. And that is the performance or keep Aston Villa for a long duration or push Aston Villa go further than whatever competition they are playing at and push them back into the Champions League position. And then now he'll become back the key man or one of the main man for the team. So just keep up that performance, and it's big. It's really, really good that you put yourself in the history book today. That's very, very crucial. That he has done so. And who's to tell what this is going to do for him? Confidence. Who's to tell this is going to do for him? Just himself belief. So it's really, really important that this day happened for him. And we'll see him push on from here. So big up yourself, Leon Bailey. Big up yourself. Big, big performance. Big up on yourself, people. Smash the like button. Hit the subscribe button. And I'll see you guys again. Until next time, MG Sports TV. We are out. God bless. Outside. Tell us what you think in the comment section, people. Big up. God bless, people. Out. MG Sports. Like, share, and subscribe.